His Excellency, the President of Ghana, Bushian, was talking IGP Dampare. I wait, this trending news going on online. So I want to hear, and honey, the first place I want to hear, Bushian, give us a follow. I mean, I just saw a comment section. I say, I dey 18 His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Bushian, but Masaki, IGP Dampare. If it's a Ghana for me, say IGP Dampare, Obono Humadi, he was very good. He was very good in playing a very wealthy and solid political election, democratic time. I talk about with a very cool, and we didn't hear any misconception in some certain areas. Kenyans were very happy with the services. I don't know medical Shatawale na offer Stone Boy and Shatawale jina Sabushia. You guys should be very careful. And His Excellency waji in the Juma feeling. Someone may know say COP Christian Tete Yohono ono and as the current IGP on as when ya denomination. His Excellency at my point and so ono and the current IGP and Inspector General of Police Officer sir. Upo IGP Dampare Akuffo Abusia. Now people are also talking after appointing a Christian Tete Yohono as the IGP in Abusia. People are also talking online. People are also debating. Say, no, IGP Dampare was a very young, fine man because of 54 good years, Abusia. And then the 54 good years, won't even say, Nka, Odumampo in a way on core pension, 60 years. And then when you look at the services, won't even complaints like a see because it even got into a certain point. Not the new patriotic party na Nkasa more appointed on the crown. They wanted him to be sacked because then that's why Denny. He wasn't obeying their rules and regulations. So at some point, I can afford that to say, oh, say His Excellency Ba, he's not going to sack a IGP Dampare, but he named Nekoba Yabushia. Now we no call for ba you no one JJJ. We the IGP JJJ. Yeah, dear was say new government be a bar or feel say okay now. What you would know and me policies name man person me de ba na fa de a and the memo to aso say mfa be you afiri na me de nipa me so say ono betimi abo ma me policy a me de ba na be ko ne dem na busua what the nipa na be show nti I think that is the most important thing that His Excellency it me consider before appointing Christian Tete Yohono to be the Inspector General of Police. Sina James, you have gotten a new officer, sir. So the trending news going on online, the comment section is specifically made for you watching me to comment under the comment section and tell me that no, the president didn't do well. Why did you sack IGP Dampare, Akuffo Dampare, the former IGP of this country, because of what you under his time, under his regime, nobody was above the law. That is what people are saying online. And the comment section is specifically made for you to also get to share your opinion under the comment section and tell us that no, His Excellency didn't do well. So you need to do amendments, put things in place, do some certain stuffs. But the comment section, as I said earlier, is for you. Your comment section as Karma Studios and Magic Brain. If it is your first time, so kindly follow this page on all the social media platforms. YouTube Karma Studios, TikTok Karma Studios, Facebook Karma Entertainment Zone, and also say Abdul Salif on Facebook, Instagram Sticky to Pastor. Now any trending news I'll get you notified on this platform. Thanks for watching. The next series of our videos are always uploaded within some seconds. Kindly watch them all. Finally out.